97 Avalon XLS. To make this very simple, I got some electrical tape. All right, 10mm. There's a clip right here. You push this clip in and you pull this out. I got the electrical tape because you need to put electrical tape on that when you take it out. 14mm right here. This is I believe that's another 10 or, let me check. No, this is a 12. This is a 12 right here. 12 on the top, 14 on the bottom, 14 right here, 10 right there, and put electrical tape on that little piece and push this piece in and pull this out, and then your tensioner will come off. Once you undo these two bolts, you want to go ahead and just safely take this off, then remove it from the vehicle. One thing I want to make note, because there is another YouTube video that shows how to do this, is you cannot get a socket in right here because of these. So what you need to do is you need to actually get you a wrench. A socket will not fit in this small little gap. There's no room. You have to get a wrench. And that's basically the only difference than the other video, but just wanted to go ahead and point that out. And for anybody who's curious, the part number seems to be 11913070, and then there's a tag on here. I think I just take this off. It says 113755, and N. Made in Malaysia, new unit. This is how I know this is not the original alternator. This was replaced before, so I had to get another one. All right, and there you go. I got it out the car. There you go right there. Most important thing about this is you got to make sure you have some ratcheting sockets. You got to make sure you have some ratcheting sockets. You're really not going to be able to get in there. You need a 14 ratcheting socket and you need a 12 ratcheting socket. And this is my faulty alternator. I know you can rebuild alternators, so I'm going to do some more research on that. But more than likely, I'll probably just go to the yard and pull one, because I think that'll be the fastest. And just so you know, the video is real, and I didn't just buy an alternator like I pulled it out. There it is. It's gone. No alternator. Like I said, 14, 12, 12, and there was a 10 on top in the clip, and that's all she wrote. Peace.